Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into your Google account on a secure browser. Use a device you control. Have your password and a working phone number or alternate email ready because Google will send verification codes. Once signed in, open your account settings and head directly to Security. This saves time. You should enable two-step verification if it's off, because recovery emails behave differently with added protection. Doing these first steps prevents lockout and makes the next actions faster and safer. You now go to Personal Info, then Contact Info, then Email, and choose to add a recovery address. This is the core move. Enter the alternate email you control and request the verification code. Google sends a code to that address to confirm it's yours. Once you receive it, type the code back into the Google prompt to verify. Make sure to use a trusted device, because confirming from your phone or a computer you frequently use reduces friction and increases account safety. You finish by confirming the recovery email shows as verified in your account settings. This ensures Google will use it if you're locked out. Once confirmed, test the setup by initiating a password recovery flow. Stop before changing anything and verify you get the code at the recovery address. Make sure to update this email anytime access changes. If things go wrong, check spam folders, email filters, and account forwarding. As a troubleshooting tip, disable strict filters or try sending a test code.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.